stations will have all the route map displayed. What it happens is when the station is approaching, there will be a public address announcement that this particular station is coming next. And then when that station comes, there will be a green light on the route map which will be glowing so that people know, even if somebody is hearing impaired, they can know which is the station which is currently on, and they can alight. So it will give advance signal of the next station which is coming. Immediately after the train leaves a particular station, it will make an announcement on the next station also. These route maps actually is based on a study which was done by Delhi Metro. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation is the company which developed the metro system in Delhi, and that was the first metro project in India. And way back in 2003, the government of Andhra Pradesh have appointed them as consultants to study the entire demographic or the population of Hyderabad, the future growth areas where there will be population increase and all, and accordingly suggest a route which will serve the entire city of Hyderabad in a best possible way. So obviously this metro system has to go to all parts of the city, but it can't be done at one shot. So it will be done in a phased manner. So the first phase has been decided in such a way that the core city, which is around the Hussain Sagar Lake, if you do a radius of about 5 to 10 kilometers, it gets covered in all those areas. And later you have a possibility to extend those lines. For example, today one line starts from Miapur and it goes up to LB Nagar. There is a possibility of extending Miapur to go up to BHEL on that highway, and LB Nagar going up to Vanasthalipuram and all in the second phase. So it has been planned taking into a lot of factors based on the needs of the people of Hyderabad and the possibility to extend it to various areas in the future. Yeah, there are a lot of vendors, global vendors who will come in, and this is a very smart metro system. It's an intelligent metro. Like I said, we'll have smart cards instead of coins to get into the metro station or something. So there are companies today, L&T has finalized certain vendors to help us on the communication and all. There are international companies like Thales and few other companies who actually come and they bring in their systems to make it very smart and automated. It's an intelligent metro system.